Hi, good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to change the base unit of measure of a material. So what are the prerequisites are required when you want to change it? So let's check this video. So let me take any material. For example, let's take this 459. Okay. 459 is the material code. And we want to change the base unit of measure from each to maybe you want to change to PC. Okay, just for an example only. So what are the prerequisites when you want to change it? Okay, that point we need to check it. Okay. So what are the prerequisites if you want to change base unit of measure? So if you want to change the base unit of measure, let me put a heading here. Change of base unit of measure of a material. So first prerequisite, if you want to change prerequisites, clear, open, purchasing and sales documents. If you have any reservations also. So you can purchasing inventory and sales documents. The second activity, clear the stock in current period and previous period. What is this previous period also we can check that. So clear the stock. So the activity is change of base unit of measure and prerequisites are like so prerequisites we must clear the open documents. You can check in MD04. MD04 you can find the open documents of the material. Clearing wise, first you can check the stock. MB5B will be better for you to check it. And also we'll check in MM03 also. MB5B or MM03. So MM03 also will show you that one. So verification T code. Action T codes. So what is verification T code? Where you can verify it, and what are the action T codes? It can be multiple. For example, ME52N for to delete purchase requisitions, ME22N for PO, VA02 for sales order. If you have any outbound delivery, VL02N, and if you have inbound delivery, VL32N, and if you have reservation, you need to go to MB22, and either you put deletion, okay, the closing final flag. Okay, you have to close these things. Previous period and current period, mostly you do with Migo underscore goods issue. So with the goods issue, we can do that activity. Why I'm not mentioning about 562 or 561 for doing this adjustment. Most of the companies after go live that 561, 562 related GL accounts will be blocked. So you cannot use any more 561, 562. We only use during the cutover period. So how can we adjust? Mostly we use with moment type 201, 202. So to decrease increasing thing. If you come mostly 201, 202, And if your company has opened the 561, 562, and there are no audit related concerns, you can use 561 and 562 also. So okay, let me use Migo word so that it will apply. Or 562 or 561. So these are the way how you can do the activity. And let me go to the task quota arrangement. If you have, you can check in ME1M and ME12. Update. Not open, we can call existing. Update quota arrangement. If there is any quota arrangement, we need to update with MEQ1. I think MEQM for the getting the data. So this is the way how we are going to do that. And let's go today to do this activity. We have taken a material and how we are going to handle that material. Let's check in the system. Okay. So here main point I want to talk about current period and previous period. You can see the current period, previous period details in MMRV transaction also. So what is your current period and previous period? In any way in MM03 we are going to see it. So why should we clear the previous period? Because so SAP would have put it that control because we can still do the postings in the previous period, right? By using the back posting allowed. So if any business wanted to use that back posting related things, and if they want to transaction anything, then system uh, get this inconsistency so that whenever you want to change the base unit of measure, you have to clear the inventory from both the previous period and current period. That is one of the reasons, I guess. And another reason also, like when you check in MM03 or whatever data is available, right? Still the unit of measure is showing in the previous one. Okay. So main point is previous period is still available to do the goods movements. So SAP didn't give any kind of a chance to have inconsistency. So they put it like if you want to change the base unit of measure, you must change the you must clear the previous period stock also. Okay. So how to clear the previous period stock? For example, if a previous period, okay, let me give an example here. For example, previous period has 5 quantity and current period has 0. Okay. Then what we need to do? We have to, okay, in this case, what steps you have to follow? You have to increase the stock of 5 pieces in current period, decrease the stock of 5 pieces in previous period. Okay, that's the thing we need to follow. This is case 1. Case 2. For example, previous period has 10. So that will be the current period has 15. Okay. Also, let's take the example of both are same. So current period and previous period both are same. Then what we need to do? No need to do anything. Increase of thing. Directly decrease the stock of 10 pieces in the previous period. That's enough. Already we have sufficient stock. No need to increase. Now we are coming to the case 3. What is case 3? 10 and 5. Okay. So it has 5. Previous period has 10. Then we will follow the same method. The 5 pieces we need to increase it. Okay. So we have to increase the 5 pieces in the current period so that stock will become 10. then decrease the stock rate of 10 pieces. So previous period and current period both will become 0. So now let us check the cases, what kind of case we are coming to receive in our example. Okay, I hope it is clear now. Case 3. Okay, total 3 cases I explained. One case, previous period is having stock, current period 0. And another case is previous period, current period, both are having same. Step 1, step 2. Step 1 only, it doesn't need 2 steps. So I hope it has given you an idea. So now we will go to the system. This material we want to change it 459, came to MM03. Now you go to accounting 1. We are using the S4 HANA 2022 system. So NS12 is my plant. NS12. So once you come here, page down. Okay. So accounting currency key. The GUI was little different. So yeah, here you can check it. So currently we are in the period. How much stock is there? Inventory value 0. Previous period. Current period and previous period both are having 0. Go to MB5B. Date from 01/04/2024 to 25/05/2024. We'll check MD04. More documents. It's changed without any issues. It doesn't have any stock. It doesn't have any stock. So this is not the good example for us. MM60. So now just now you have seen, right? System without any error, it completed. It changed it because it doesn't have any stock. So let me try to use some other material. /n MM03. Basic data. Each is there. Unit of like raw material. Go to accounting view. NS12. This also doesn't have any stock. MB5B. always run in non-hierarchical. So whenever you check MB5B report, right, use this option non-hierarchical so that it looks better for you to check it. Okay, let us do this activity of with this material only. So I'm going to change this unit of measure for this material. So if you check MM03, okay, this is my main material to test because we are not opening system frequently, right? Randomly. So I thought like not to disturb it, but anyway, we have to test it. No choice. So current we have a 166 stock in the current period and previous period it has 16. So we have it comes under the case of sufficient stock I have. Okay, I have a sufficient stock. So almost similar kind of a stage. I don't need to means okay, we have another case. Case 4 actually. What is this case 4? We will take the same example. Previous period has 16, current period has 166. Okay. So now what we need to do, no need to increase anything. Decrease of okay. So decrease of the stock of 16 pieces in the previous period. Decrease of stock of 150 pieces in current period. This is the new case. Now we are going to do the same thing. Okay. So just now we have seen it 16 and 166. Let us go into how we are going to handle this. I have access to 561, so I will use the 561. 561, 562 things. But based on thing, you have to use 201, 202. So goods receipt, other 562, material, my only material I'm going to do it is 16 quantity, but posting I'm keeping in April. 16 NS 12. Oh, this is the challenge. We need to check it. So in which locations the stock is available? Even you can check from here also. It will take you to MMBE. Because stock is at this location, storage location level, so we have to give the exact one. Let's open in the another screen. MMBE. System is going slow. The system got hanged. Let us close and try again. Login, login, login. Then the system got stuck. That's why. B52, NS12, no zero stock lines. So we have a stock of 150. Multiple locations we have stock. So we cannot use MB1C as we know that 562. Material 691. Quantity 16. I have to do in the previous period. NS12. And let me do. Okay, I will take RM01, which has more stock. So we don't have to play with the 2-3 things. Or else we can also do these 646 means we have to give multiple locations. So let me do this. That also fine. Whatever, anything is fine. So click on check button. Okay, so system is giving the message that diff sheet of storage location understood is previous period. So it is saying that in the previous period, it has a deficit. So what I'm going to do now, quantity. So oneness location. Oh, location was deleted. Oneness 2S FGM. So what I'm going to do. So what we need to do, someone deleted the location. OX09. 1S 2S FCM1. My plant NS12. Just copy. 1S 2S. So 1S. Let us do like this. OX09. NS12. NS. OS FGM1. So they are not in the FGM1. So whatever the locations were deleted, so those locations, because when you delete in the config, it won't check the stock data and all. So now we are here. Okay. Okay. One is how much quantity is there? 6. And we will add one more material. 6, 4, 6. 2S FGM1. NS12. NS12. Okay. So we have given the plant, we have given both location 172 is not supported. Okay. We have given one is okay, all done. So here what we understand is the location should be matching with the previous period. Whatever stock was available, the location must be matching. Plant anyway it should match, but location also should match it. So the previous period 16 stock was removed. So let us go to the material master. Let us go to material master /OMN 03 91. Go to accounting one view. Then give our plant. Current period has become 150. Previous period has become 0. So this is what we have done. So one key point is if the stock was available in specific location in the previous period, when you do the adjustment, you must use the same thing. Otherwise, anyway, SAP has given the error message, right? Deficit of previous stock. So now all things are good, and we are going to remove the stock from the current period 150. So let us check the current period 150 RM01/N and we'll go. And I'll go with the same 562 current period. I put it. I have my material and I have quantity of 150. And I know that next location is RM01. Okay, so this much pain will be there when you change the base unit of measure. So we need to really discuss with the business. Then only we need to proceed. There is no item category assigned to account INT. What is this error? Let us check the long text. There is no item category. The online document splitting active in your system. Here, each document is assigned to account transactions. The document cannot be posted. What is the procedure? Assign an item category to your account specified. Classify GL accounts for document splitting. This is purely finance. Let us handling based on the classify accounts for chart of accounts is INT. So our account is not maintained in the list of account 241. What is our material account? Let us check our GL account. Let's double check. 412. This is the one of GL. So what we are going to do? We maintain the classics as GL. I hope this issue will be resolved. There is no item category assigned to account. It's not replicated, I believe. Let us point. We go other material quantity where land is NS land and location is RM 0. Let's no error. Yes, successfully. So the document splitting classify our GL account is not available. So we got an error. We fixed without Google help because SAP itself has given the details. Now let me check MM03 / MM03 91 basic data 1. So because of this video, my material is losing all of its documents. I need to make few documents ready for NS12. Okay. So see here, current period, previous period, both are 0, 0. So now go to MD04. MD04 will have specific documents. Oh, no option. I used earlier for MRP testing, so I have plenty of documents. Let me delete the purchase requisition. I will run MRP later. I have to create anyway because this material, we need to kill all the documents. 110. Delete it. Refresh. Okay. I have one more PR. Let us clear first PRs. I have a PO. Between the schedule line. Oh, I was using for a scheduling agreement testing. So let us delete the scheduling agreement. We need to keep deletion flag for every item. Let this pause. And then we'll delete. So only schedule line is left. All 4 lines. Is not having any deletion. Will have. We want to close it. Okay. So I remove the quantities and close this. So all lines are removed. No partners. That's fine. Let's refresh. Okay. So all the open documents are removed and documents are clear. So MD04 is clear and MB52 or MB5B, that is also clear. Let us go to MM02 91 base unit of measure to PC. So still system is giving an S message. The base unit of measure cannot be changed. What are the errors? Okay, still system is finding the base unit of measure cannot be changed because it is documents that exist. So 137 and 173 slash and M22N 137. It could be invoice is pending because MD04 you cannot see that one, right? So for this 137, it was not this, and 173. Even actually without checking all these documents directly, if you go to MM02 and change it, system would give all the errors. Based on that also we could follow. So in real time, we get everything in MD04 for these documents related one. So if in case of GR is completed, invoice is pending, then that will not come in MD04. That anyway we know it. Whatever other document. Section MM02, we need to do all this. But high level, whatever I taught, that point only we need to follow. I changed to PC. Still there is a scheduling line one is there. So something error. Yeah. This is 55. Yeah, okay. We have removed the scheduling line, but we have not yet removed the scheduling agreement, right? So what I'm going to do, so video is becoming lengthy. Expansion ME 52L. Okay. This is like our PO, so we have everything. Anyway, deletion flag is already updated. So our job is done. Now we can change to MM02. I opened in another screen. Go to MM02 base data, change to PC. Finally. Okay. Although video has become suddenly lengthy, but I hope you got a clarity that what are the steps we need to do. And you can watch again if you are now missing any kind of a clarity. So we have done that. And after that, what I explained. Okay. And also here we will add it. ME 32L. Okay, that also. Scheduling agreement, if we have deleted. Anyway, it's part of all the documents. We can check it. Verification code MD04 are mostly more than MD04. If you go to MM02 and give error, system will show everything. MD04 or MM02 will give all documents clear. Okay, that's the one good thing actually. So that's more accurate. It will give you whether invoice receipt is pending or any kind of a things. MM02 will show you. No need to run multiple documents. Okay. Now we are going to the next steps. Base unit of measure we done info record. Go to ME 1M. Okay. So here we need to change the unit of measure from each to PC. Go to conditions. We need to get we'll change quarter and first. MEQ MEQ1. Okay, quarter and is automatically changed the base unit of measure. So now what is here? So quarter and is automatically updated. Info record. Yeah. So info record, once you come to ME12, here you need to change to.
I found this on the web.
Change here PC, PC. Okay. Both the places it changed to PC. Now click enter, 2 times enter. It will give a pop-up. Then go to conditions. Double click. So if it is already available, we need to do this operation, no choice. We have to select it, click on, delete, then go to PV 00, say 300, 1 PC. So we need to do this activity in info record. So whenever you create an experiment PO and all, system will get automatically PC based price, everything. EA was already deletion. Okay. So in next, so EOM will be automatically updated. So we don't have to do any action, but in info record we need to update. So this is about how to change the base unit of measure. So there are a lot of activities will be there. So you have to do properly, generally on the first day of the month, so that the both periods will be open, or we can request finance to do this activity. But in the mid of the month and all, it's difficult because you have to touch the previous period. Finance team will not approve you to do the in the previous period. This is about the overall how to change the base unit of measure. The similar logic will be applicable for valuation class also. If you want to change, almost similar steps will be you need to follow. Okay. Even for profit center, few of the activities like PO create, deletion and all not required because we have a program to run. I think I will make a separate video for the profit center. But in this video, you learned about the steps involved when you want to change the base unit of measure of a material. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.